Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Nakiri knife. All-purpose nakiri knife. The classic 7-inch kitchen knife is flexible for all kinds of heavy-duty preps like slicing, dicing, chopping, and mincing. A truly all-around cooking knife is easy to resharpen, clean, and maintain. Ultra-sharp edge. The blade of potting cleavers is made of 5cr15 move stainless steel, not real Damascus, with 56+ hardness. The razor-sharp cutting edge allows you to cut foods effortlessly. All the world-renowned cutlery brands adopt the same steel, which is rust-proof and durable for long-time use. Ergonomic handle. The ergonomic shape perfect balances the handle, and the thin blade at the pinch point ensures the ease of movement. The soft pakkawood handle is integrated with the Japanese nakiri knife's blade, creating comfortable grip. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Automatic operation. Our electric pepper and salt grinder with gravity sensor switch, you even needn't to press a button. Simply flip the grinder and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery powered. Each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries not included. Adjustable grinder. Many grinding levels for your choice allows you to grind your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Use a high-quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt, or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. Wide applicability. The electric grinder is suitable for pepper, salt, and other solid grain seasonings. Battery-powered, convenient and fast, you can use it anytime and anywhere. This grinder is the good helper for kitchens, restaurants, parties, and outdoor picnics. Juicer machines. Easy prep. The wide 4-point feed chute fits whole fruits and veggies, letting you skip the time-consuming prep work. Thoughtful design. The 41-ounce hopper and self-feeding function let you load all your ingredients at once and juice multiple items in minutes. Preserve flavor and nutrients. The low-speed auger, under 75 RPM, preserves nutrients and flavor by minimizing oxidation and heat buildup. Anti-drip spout. The anti-drip spout reduces mess and cleanup, plus you can close it for blending juices without spills. Simple operation. One knob for on-off and reverse makes this juicer easy to use with minimal effort. Quick and easy cleaning. Disassemble in 3 simple steps and use the included brush for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Butter dish. Butter dish with lid and knife. The butter dish with lid for countertop has been updated, so when you want to use the butter dish, you don't have to look for the knife anymore. And the butter dish with lid comes with a multi-purpose butter knife. The lid of butter dish fits perfectly with the butter knife, and the butter dish with knife has a smear, scraping, slicing 3 functions. When you cut and spread butter, the cover of the butter dish can be a cutting board. Durable butter dish with lid for countertop. This butter dish with lid for countertop made of metal material that more durable and much lighter than ceramic, which can effectively prevent slipping from your hands. The butter dish with lid size is 3.5 5.5 2 ins. This butter dish is wide and deep enough to hold various of butter. Butter dish with lid sealing upgrade. The cover of the butter container has a double-layer silicone ring, which greatly improves the sealing performance for butter dish with lid. In addition, the silicone sealing ring of our butter dish with lid for countertop is not easy to age, and the sealing effect is longer. Cheese grater. Comfortable to use and built to last. The hand grater has a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that won't rust and a comfortable, non-slip handle. Its unique curved sides make it extremely rigid and allow you to apply more force when it's needed. Save space in the kitchen and drawer. Replace your bulky, unsafe, and hard-to-clean box grater, cheese grater electric, cheese grater with container or heavy electric food processor with a single-desk classic zester grater and food shredder. The metal Parmesan cheese grater teeth won't clog up the way other graters for kitchen do, so it's a snap to clean. Just pass your cheese grater under running water. Improve your cooking. Amaze your friends with new, restaurant-like recipes. Add strong new flavors with fresh lemon zest without any bitter pith taste. When using the chef zester with hard cheeses such as Parmesan, you'll get a nice pile of grated cheese that melts almost instantly on hot pasta. Bacon grease container. Safe material. The grease container and the tray are made of wrought iron with non-stick coating. The fine mesh strainer is made of stainless steel, and the handle is made of Bakelite. Food-grade material, keep oil healthy. Filtration function. The removable strainer is fine enough to filter out debris, food particles, and impurities from the oil. Keep you cleaner and healthier cooking oil. The anti-slip coaster tray will prevent oil spill onto the countertop. Perfect designed cooking oil container. There is a lid on the grease collector, which will stop the dust falling into the oil. Small outlet design works well to prevent any leakage. High temperature resistance and rust resistant. Meat tenderizer. Chef-grade meat tenderizer. The meat tenderizing tool easily slices through meat to create tiny heat channels without change the shape or appearance of the meat. The channels tenderize the meat while also providing greater absorption of marinade or spice and lowering cooking times up to 40%. Increases flavor and tenderness of all cuts of meat. High quality and great design. Meat tenderizing tools are manufactured with high-quality 48 stainless steel blades with hard texture, durable to use without corrosion and rust. Blades are sharpened on both sides for prolonged performance that stays sharp even after frequent use. ABS grip with human engineering principle bring you much convenience, let you easy to hold, and keep a good mood to cooking. Coffee maker. The Keurig K-Classic single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker delivers a reliable and efficient brewing experience suitable for a broad audience. With its sleek black exterior and compact dimensions of 9.8 by 13H, it seamlessly fits into various kitchen spaces without taking up too much counter space. This coffee maker boasts a fully automatic operation, making it incredibly easy to use. The programmable features allow users to brew coffee at their convenience, while the removable water tank simplifies refilling and cleaning processes. The auto-clean function is particularly useful for maintenance, ensuring that the machine stays in optimal condition with minimal effort. Designed for versatility, the K-Classic can brew a melting pot. Temperature display. No additional thermometer is needed to help control the temperature of the wax. The wax melting machine will display real-time temperature numbers on the monitor, simplifying the candle-making process and improving your work efficiency. Lemon squeezer. Less effort, more juice. Get maximum juice out of lemons with this lemon squeezer that is easy on hands and requires just a gentle squeeze. It is designed with a grooved bowl that allows for maximum extraction. With a built-in strainer, this lime squeezer allows all the juice to pass through smoothly while catching the seeds and pulp. Save time and space. Having a glass of lemonade or making a delicious marinade takes just a few seconds.